So Scam, this your boy, man, the Surreal Hoop Dog. Hey, I got something that's going on real bad. We're trying to rehearse, right? Okay. Forehead shining. Don't laugh. Hey. But we're trying to rehearse. And somebody keep unplugging the power. I don't know, like, somebody keep unplugging the power, man. See, what happened was, this is what happened. We went to apply that pressure. The whole bottom fell out. So we kept switching outlets, right? So we'll put it on the left side of the place, put it on the right side, and it seemed to get unplugged. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. Y'all hold on. Come on, plug it back up. Check it. One. All right, so. Oh, by the way, man, I'm rehearsing with my cousins. You got brother Kelvin and brother Quentin. You got Chocolate Thunder himself, brother Chris, brother Perch. So we in here trying to rehearse. Somebody keeps standing by the doggone outlet unplugging. We gonna see this time. Watch this. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah.
It's my turn now. I'm still high. Oh, here we go. It's my turn now. I'm still high.
See? Yo. They keep unplugging it, man. Where the outlet at? Where the outlet? Where that boy plugged up at? We done tried six outlets. Y'all gonna stay away from these outlets. I'm gonna tell you now. You unplug something while I'm singing, it's your hind parts. Peace, yo. I'm just playing with you. Play it on, man.